Africa's pharmaceutical industry stands on the cusp of a new era. It's set to be one of the first industries to benefit from the Continental Free Trade Agreement. The push for better healthcare systems and medicines development came when the continent struggled to gain access to COVID-19 vaccines.
No part of the world must be left behind in relation to any of the pandemics that we have now and the future as we go into it.
The ailing continent suffers one of the highest disease burdens in the world. According to the World Economic Forum, demand for packaged medicines, mainly as a result of HIV/AIDS, tuberculosis and malaria, tops $18 billion. Just 35% is produced locally and a minuscule 3% traded regionally.
It's absolutely essential for the preparedness of South Africa, of the African continent, that you have local and regional manufacturing of these vaccines and local regional production that is essential for preparedness.
We need to have a sustainable development plan for next generation technologies and next generation disease targets, and I think that in that way we will not only look after ourselves from producing our own essential life-saving medicines, but we will be able to generate and sustain the human capital development element in Africa as well.
The implementation of the free trade area removes regulatory barriers and overcomes the challenge of fragmented markets needed to boost development and production of vaccines, medicine, instruments, and other essentials.
The continent needs to leverage those volumes by having local capacity to procure locally. Now, we can't do that if it's just one country here and one country there. We've got to put all the volumes together, and if we put all the volumes together, it's meaningful. We can get the economies of scale to succeed.
Growth in Africa's medicines industry is not only good for jobs, businesses, and new entrants to the industry, it will grow a healthier and more self-reliant continent. South Africa has already got the ball rolling with the launch of a vaccine technology hub supported by the World Health Organization, which is expected to benefit the entire continent. Julie Shara, CGTN, Cape Town, South Africa.